As Russia had deployed 2 T-90M tanks in the Kherson region, one had been immobilized with the other being operational. While possibly looking if it was able to tow the damaged T-90 tank back, the other tank had to flee instead as Ukraine's drone army was swarming around, chasing after the tank that fled into the water. Unfortunately, it seemed to hit the explosive reactive armor on the turret, possibly doing limited damage. However, the remaining tank was struck again, causing a fire to break out, destroying at least one of the T-90M tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.